TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. Just completed. This is the 1 p.m. update, and I'm also the author of the Opening Call daily newsletter. And we're looking at the Dow down 486. It actually was up all the way to 26,320 this morning. Now it's 25,764. A couple of tweets from President Trump, a little bit of China angst created early this morning with their tariffs, and then retaliation. You'll hear all about it over the weekend. Most importantly, I'm looking at the market, and the market says, I don't like this. I'm down 500 points right now, and this is key. Look at the left side chart. That's the daily chart. You see the 200-period exponential moving average. Once again, we're under it. Most of the action these over the last few weeks has been above it. Just a couple of days we've been below it. If we close lower, I'm just saying make sure that 25,400 to 25,300, the cushion is held going into early next week, because if we close under that weekly chart, which I'd said earlier was in a what I call a Chapman wave sell mode, starts to accelerate lower below 25,339. And most importantly is that the S&P is right now also down very sharply, down 58 to 2864. Its key support is at 2847, takes out 2822 next week. You can see quite a bit lower. I look at the H to M pattern that we've been talking about unfolding, the QQQ of the NDX 100, down sharply, down 4.66. At 183, 180 is the key support level that it needs to hold. Must not break under 179 next week. Let me just quickly go to gold, because it was up huge. It is up $28 in this rectangle formation, trying to at 1537, 1546 is going to be key. If it goes above that, it can go even higher. So that's very important. And look what happened to the dollar, because Trump is saying, I want a lower dollar. And the dollar said, oh, well, you might want it, but I'm going higher. But it got hit today. It's down 43 cents after making a new recovery high. Didn't get to the 98.68 high of the 1st of August. But this hit what I call the Chapman wave inside track repellent zone and got hit, and is down. It's down 43 pennies at 97.77. This is going to be important. The euro is rallying, and the TLT is rallying as well. That is, the bonds are up 2.34 at 145.95, still having pulled back from that high that was made in the 148.60 area. Hey, this is a really important moment. Maybe by the end of the day, there can be some kind of recovery, but you can see how nervous the market is. Just be real careful here. If you've got favorite stocks, make a list. See which stocks you'd like to get at lower prices.